is a whole lot going on. Oh, and a bottle of water. Whoa, a bottle of water. Yeah, we gotta be prepared. It was a long walk, but yeah, good stuff.
Get over here.
Whoa.
Hello, Richie.
I bet you can't give me a pilot.
You know what?
Nah. Hi. Wow. So cool. So cool. Love it. Hi. So cool.
Thank you.
Woo. Love it.
Pikachu, Little Bo Peep, Pirates of the Caribbean, the cop,
Yeah, can't act up. He's gonna arrest you.
Spider-Man, and some weird character.
It is definitely a crime scene. Oh Lord. Right. It is a real snake. Oh my God. Oh wow, entertainment. I love it.
Babe, I got
Wow, trick or treat was the bomb. How was your time? A lot going on.
Very fun. Look at her bag. And this is my bag as well. The whole bag's full of candy. And it's the top to bottom. I got this big bag of candy. And Tami's enjoying one of her lollipops that she's still eating.
It's a great day. All the neighbors and all the kids. It was fun meeting everybody. And this is nice. We should do it like every week.
I think we should. It'd be so nice if people were doing this every week.
Right?
Every Friday doing this every week. Well, not every day. Every Saturday or Sunday.
Sounds good.
That'd be so fun.
So what was your favorite part?
Eating all this candy.
You haven't candy.
But my best part is being with you doing it. I showed the camera.
Oh, okay. We're gonna edit that. I had fun with you too. That's great. Okay, guys. Thank you so much for watching.
And peace out.
All right. Okay, guys. This is the second batch of what we got, and this is the first batch. You must feel like literally like unload and reload. Yeah, and yeah, never mind. I've been. But the point is, it was such
A fun time. I got a bunch of candy that will probably last me more than 1 year.
I'm glad you know, and you gotta
But
make
this
sure
chocolate, I can't eat the chocolate because I don't like chocolate.
Okay. But it was a great day.
Very fun. When it was with you, it was even more better.
Oh, love that. I had the best time. It was like the best day ever. The best Halloween day ever. Awesome. Okay, let's eat some candy. Let's go.
And also, I'm sharing this with you.
I only want two.
You can have as many as you want.
What is
The heck? I found this.
Okay.
Reptile.
All right. How many candies do you think we got?
Over 100. As soon as we unlock this and put this thing,
Yeah, it's probably over 100, but yeah, let's go.